If you're using an iPhone in 2025, there are powerful features hidden right inside your phone that most people still don't know about. These are not basic tips. These are real, everyday tricks that save time, protect your privacy, improve battery life, and make your iPhone feel faster and smarter. So make sure you watch till the end, because some of these tips can completely change the way you use your iPhone. Let's begin. The first tip is back tap, and it feels almost magical. Your iPhone can perform actions just by tapping the back of the phone. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Touch, and scroll down to Back Tap. You can choose double tap or triple tap and assign actions like taking a screenshot, opening the camera, locking the screen, or even launching a specific app. Once you set it up, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Next is live voicemail, which in 2025 is smarter than ever. When someone calls you, your iPhone can transcribe the voicemail in real time while the person is speaking. This means you can read what they're saying live and decide whether to answer the call or ignore it. It works even when your phone is locked and saves you from listening to long, unnecessary voicemails. Now let's talk about iPhone battery intelligence. Most users still charge their phones incorrectly. In 2025, iPhones use advanced battery optimization. Go to Battery Settings and make sure Optimized Battery Charging is turned on. Your iPhone learns your daily routine and stops charging at 80%, then finishes charging just before you usually unplug it. This simple setting can extend your battery health for years. Here's a privacy tip most people miss: app tracking control. Your iPhone lets you control which apps can track your activity across other apps and websites. Go to Privacy and Security, then Tracking, and turn off Allow apps to request to track. This single switch dramatically reduces data tracking and improves overall performance. Another powerful feature is focus filters, not just focus mode. In 2025, focus is more advanced. You can customize what apps show during work, sleep, or personal time. For example, during work focus, only work apps appear, certain emails are hidden, and notifications are filtered automatically. It's like having different phones for different parts of your life. Now let's reveal a hidden camera trick. When your phone is locked, long press the camera icon, then swipe left. This opens the camera instantly without unlocking your phone. It's perfect for capturing moments quickly. Also, in video mode, you can swipe up or down to zoom smoothly without tapping buttons. Here's a tip for faster typing. If you press and hold the spacebar, your keyboard turns into a trackpad. This lets you move the cursor precisely anywhere in the text. No more tapping randomly trying to place the cursor. Once you learn this, typing becomes incredibly smooth. One of the most underrated features is iPhone sound recognition. Your iPhone can listen for important sounds like doorbells, baby crying, alarms, or even smoke detectors. When it detects them, it sends you a notification. This is extremely useful for parents, people who wear headphones, or anyone who wants extra awareness. Now let's talk about Photos Cleanup, a 2025 essential. Your iPhone can automatically detect duplicate photos, blurry images, and screenshots you don't need. Go to Photos, then Utilities, and open Duplicates. With one tap, you can merge or delete unnecessary photos and free up storage instantly. Finally, here's a feature that makes your iPhone feel brand new: live text everywhere. You can copy text from images, videos, screenshots, or even paused YouTube videos. Just tap and hold the text on screen. This works across apps, making your iPhone incredibly powerful for studying, work, and content creation. So those were some of the most useful iPhone tips every user should know in 2025. If you found even one of these helpful, make sure to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart iPhone tips and hidden features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.